Hi guys!
Today we're making salmon with soy sauce, garlic and ginger. It's really yummy, it's really easy to make, and we have it as a dinner with vegetables and couscous. It's really healthy as well.
We reached 100 subscribers, isn't that amazing? Please like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you.
So I have 3 pounds of salmon. I've cut it into strips like this, so you can see the size. I mean, you do it as big or small as you want. I'm using 9 tablespoons of soy sauce, low sodium or light soy sauce if you can get it. If not, just use it whatever you have. I'm using 3 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar. I'm using 6 cloves of garlic and 2 tablespoons of grated ginger. I'm using 3 teaspoons of honey and 6 teaspoons of extra virgin olive oil. So in a saucepan now, I'm gonna add my soy, my vinegar, my garlic and ginger. And I'm gonna bring that to a nice simmer. So it's all simmering now, as you can see. You're getting that lovely smell of the ginger and the garlic. Now I will remove it from the heat and I will add my honey to it. And if you're using like any kind of chili or anything, you could add it now. And just stir that in nicely. So I'm going to use this non-stick frying pan, but it's quite heavy, so you need a heavyish frying pan, yeah? Or like an iron skillet, yeah, something like that, either one. And now I'm going to brush my fish on both sides with the olive oil. Turn it over. And you have to wait until your frying pan is really hot. You want it really hot. So I'm gonna add about 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, or 1 tablespoon. And I'm just gonna mix that around. And now I know my pan is really hot. So then I'm gonna put my fish in, skin side in the pan. And I'm leaving it in there for 3 minutes. Now I'm just going to add my sauce to the salmon. And then I'm going to turn it over. Just for about 1 minute. And I'm adding sauce on this side as well. Now you're removing your salmon from your pan.